You smoke?
No, not really. I just wanted to hold one. My mother used to smoke. I used to think she looked so sophisticated, and well, I just felt like looking sophisticated.
That was your first time, wasn't it?
Didn't know if I was meant to tell you. Thought I'd just let you find out. Told you I was different. Everybody else around here got it out of the way before they left school. I used to think, no way, not me. I'm not giving it away. I'm holding on for someone special. Not some bloke from around here. Before you know it, I'm 24 and wishing I'd got rid of it when I was 16 like all the other girls. So I'm standing at my window, thinking I can't bear it anymore. I'm going crazy, I have to do something. And I turn around and there you are. He's not bad looking. Nice accent. And at least he doesn't smell like fish and have sand between his toes. And he won't tell his mates in the morning. So I used you. Sorry. You can have a toasted sandwich on the house if you like.
Well, thanks.